Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to connect Wi-Fi or REALME GT6. Firstly, go into settings by swiping down and tapping on this icon. Now go into Wi-Fi. Here select the network that you know password to and you would like to connect to this network. For me this one. And then type in the password. After that, you can check the password by tapping on this icon. If it's alright, then tapping save. If it says connected and you see this little icon here in the top right corner, it means have successfully connected to a Wi-Fi network. And that's all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, write them in the comments.